Good morning. So this morning, before going to shower, I just decided to go outside and I'm collecting some nettles while wearing pajamas. Well, I have no neighbors here except one neighbor opposite the house, but he's a spiritual man, so he's fine with me. Watch this space. I will show you what I'm going to do with nettles. So I just had shower, my hair washed, but no conditioner. I am using Nettles to rinse my hair. And they feel already so soft and nice. And I will show you final result. So after I washed my hair and rinsed with Nettles, my hair feels so nice and soft. I used no conditioner. I use these products. They're very nice, very good natural products, but I didn't use any conditioner today. And I will be using a blow dry cream because I'm washed today. We're taking Dominique to basketball tournament, so I will just quickly dry my hair. Usually I don't dry my hair, I leave them to dry naturally. I will show you the final result. Here you go, the final result. No conditioner, just Nettles. My hair feels soft, nice, silky, and this is a gift from Mother Nature. Try it. Highly recommend. Sorry, my boy is playing online games with the boys, so he's in the background. Have a very good day ahead.